Hello everyone! Welcome back to Toy Time! Thank you to all you guys who subscribe to our channel. We get so happy when we get new subscribers. Also, every time we get a new subscriber, we send a shout out to one more new subscriber. Today is a big shout out to Jake. Thank you so much for subscribing to Toy Time. Next time, it could be you. All that you have to do if you want to get a shout out here on our channel is to look for this smiley face on my hand. When you spot the smiling face during the video, hurry up and subscribe to our channel. That way you can get a shout out too. Also, give us a thumbs up to let us know that you like our video. So let's go ahead and start drawing and coloring with Toy Time. On today's video, we're gonna draw a cool face emoji. Are you guys ready? So grab some paper, markers, coloring pencil, and paint, and let's start coloring. So let's go ahead and start drawing. First, we're going to draw a very round circle. If you have a round plate or the lid of a container that you can use as a guide, you can go ahead and use that. Just make sure you hold it tight and trace around it. I'm gonna try to draw a very round circle as best as I can. So here we go, guys. How are you guys doing? Great! Good job, everyone! So now we're done drawing the circle and we're gonna draw the sunglasses. Slightly above the middle line, you're gonna draw a curved line. That is the top of the sunglasses. You're gonna draw the two lenses, one side, the bridge for the nose, and the other side. It's easier when you trace outside the sunglasses and then you draw the lenses inside. I'll try to make sure both sides of the sunglasses are symmetrical. You guys can do the same, but it's okay if they are not perfect. Your art is gonna look amazing, I know that. Now that we're done drawing the sunglasses, we're gonna go ahead and draw the mouth. Are you guys ready? So we're gonna do just a smile. Do a semicircle where the mouth will go. Just a slightly open mouth smile. Alright guys, good job! I'm gonna go ahead and reinforce the lines around the face. Try to make sure this looks as much as a circle as it can look. The lines will get a little more defined, but that's okay. We like that, we don't mind. And now it's time to paint. Today I'm gonna use paint brushes and paint. Are you guys excited? Alright, I've been using a lot of coloring pencil, but I also like to paint. So let's go ahead and use a yellow to paint the emoji face yellow. I'm gonna use different shades of yellow, a darker one on the outside of the upper side of the emoji face and on the whole lower side, and then I'm gonna do a lighter shade on the forehead because that's what the emoji looks like. So let's go ahead and saturate the paintbrush with lots of paint and just move slowly around the line. Make sure you stay inside the lines. It's okay if you go over the lines, not a problem at all. Alright, so I'm gonna do the same with the same paintbrush and just try to trace around one more time. If there's any blobs of paint that will take too long to dry, I try to spread them a little so my paint does not smudge. Now I'm gonna go over the sunglasses and just try to outline this upper side of the emoji face. Now it's time to put the camera into fast forward motion and you guys continue painting with us. Also, we're still playing the game to spot the smiley face on my hand. If you spot the smiley face sticker on my hand, hurry up and subscribe to our channel so you can play the game with us. Whoever subscribes to our channel enters the shout out game. I will choose one of the new subscribers and do a shout out on our future videos. So make sure you look for that. Subscribe to our channel. Way to go, I'm so proud of you. Good job! How are you guys doing? I know you guys are doing amazing. If you do not want to use paint and brush, you can use coloring pencil, you can use markers, you can use crayons. Whatever you want to use to color the emoji face, just follow the colors along. Good job, everyone! Your drawing looks amazing! Carefully paint around the mouth, just like we did with the sunglasses, because we're gonna use a different color when we paint inside the mouth. We're almost done using the yellow paint. Good job, everyone! That was a whole lot of coloring and painting. Did you guys spot the smiley face yet? I think it's gonna pop up anytime soon. Keep watching, and when you see it, subscribe to our channel. Okay, almost done, guys. You guys are doing great. Once we're done painting the face, we can paint the mouth and the sunglasses. And there is a little bit of a shine on the lenses of the sunglasses, and I will show you guys how to achieve that look. If you guys look really close on the emoji face, there is a little bit of a lighter shine on the forehead. So I'm gonna use a lighter shade of yellow to paint over the darker shade of yellow and just blend the colors a little bit. If you have a white coloring pencil, just do the same. If you don't, just skip the step because it's not a problem. Another thing that you can do is use a little bit of a darker yellow and just go around the edge of the emoji face on the top only. You see, I'm using a darker yellow just to make it a little deeper around the edge. I'm gonna use brown paint and paint inside the mouth of the emoji. Good job, everyone! We're almost done and you guys are doing great. I love drawing, painting and coloring with all our subscribers. Thank you so much for watching Toy Toy Time and for being part of the Toy Toy Time friends. Thank you! Now for the sunglasses, I'm gonna use two grays. One is gonna be lighter, one is gonna be darker. I'm gonna use the lighter one on the top of the lenses of the sunglasses and just paint all the way to the half point, almost a little bit above the half point of the lenses. And then I'm gonna use the darker gray to paint the lower side of the lenses. So that way it looks like there is a light hitting the face from the top. That's why the forehead is a little lighter. That's why the top of the lenses of the sunglasses are a little lighter. As you guys can see, now I'm using the darker shade of gray. And now I'm gonna paint the whole lower side of the lenses. And later on, I'm just gonna blend them. So it's gonna look just like the emoji that we have on our phones. So much fun! How are you guys doing? I'm sure your drawing looks amazing and your coloring looks just as amazing. Thank you so much for joining us in this fun coloring video. We're almost done painting the lenses of the sunglasses. Were you guys able to paint in two different colors and achieve this look? That's great! If you didn't, it's not a problem because that's art. Art you can paint and color the way you want and it will look just as great. Now we're gonna use a black paint and just paint outside the frame of the sunglasses. Guys, as you can see, I paint from back to front. I paint the face, I paint the lenses, and then I paint what's above the lenses, which is the frame of the sunglasses. Also, I chose to use the darker color last because that's an easier color to smudge. And I want to make sure everything is done. And this is the final touch of my drawing. Alright, so carefully just paint all around the frame of the sunglasses. Paint both sides. If you're using coloring pencil, just color all around it. Stay inside the lines. It's okay if you get outside the lines. I used to do that when I was starting drawing. I've been drawing for so many years that now I kind of can use the paint. But whatever art you guys create is going to look amazing and I am very proud of you. Alright guys, we're almost done. Did you guys have fun coloring and drawing the emoji? Okay, that's great. I'm gonna be posting lots of other videos drawing food, drawing emoji, and so much more. So if you guys like our videos, subscribe to our channel to let us know that you enjoy your video. We get the happiest when we get new subscribers. Yep, we feel like that, cheering all the time we get new subscribers. Also, give us a thumbs up if you liked our video. We'll see you guys on our next adventure. Thank you so much for drawing and coloring with Toy Toy Time. Alright, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching and coloring. Please subscribe.